If you're ever worried that your Samsung S26 series, S26 Plus, S26 Ultra might have virus inside of it, not to worry, this is how to have a full scan on your phone. All right, so swipe upwards, go to the settings and tap on it. Now scroll down to device care. That's it, device care. Tap on it. Now scroll down to app protection. You would see here that my app protection is turned on. Okay, so I'm going to tap on it. So tap on the app protection. So if you haven't turned on your app protection, it will show that you turn it on. Please click on the video that appears here to see how to turn on the app protection. Once turned on and you get to this point, what you should do is to tap on the scan for virus. So I'm going to tap on the scan for virus here. It's going to take some time to scan all the apps for viruses. The more apps you have installed on your phone, the longer it will take to scan for viruses. So let's hold on and watch it scan for virus. Right, 93%. And that's it. You can see here, it says no threats found. That's how to keep your phone safe. Now let's customize the app protection. Now if you look up here in the three dots, tap on the three dots, app protection settings, tap on it. Here you will notice that the app is on. Now if you look further down here, this is auto scan apps daily. It's turned on. And the next one here is auto scan when installing apps. It's turned on. Check if this is turned off. You should put it on. That way it will scan your apps daily and while you're installing new apps. This video helped you. Subscribe, like, and share the video. For more tech tips like this, I'll see you in the next video.